Welcome to supply and demand shifting. We are going to look at both. So right now what you should be doing is having your notes open, or that slide open that I have attached to this assignment that talks about what is going to cause a supply or a demand line to shift. So you're going to make, I think there's 12 of these total. I only put up the top 4. We're only going to do a few of them together in this video. You guys are probably getting sick of watching my videos, but I'm hoping they help. So when we're looking at supply and demand shifts, you're going to have both lines on here. So here's our supply line. Here's our demand line. You are only going to shift one. What's this big dot in the middle? Do you guys remember? That is called an equilibrium. I'm going to make it red for you. So we did number 1. We drew in our equilibrium. So we are graphing cereal for each graph. Okay? The workers who produce cereal go on strike. Is that going to shift supply or demand? All of a sudden there's no one to make the cereal. That's going to affect supply. Supply is going to decrease. So is supply going to shift to the right or to the left? Left. Left is showing a decrease. So we're going to label that S1. And then over here, look, you have to answer all these things. So it affected supply. Supply decreased. And the shifter is store. Easy. Let's do number 2 together. So I'm going to draw my demand line. Oops, sorry, again, you got to bear with me because I'm doing it in paint. Draw my supply line. We are graphing cereal. Number 1 says draw and put in that equilibrium. There it is, where supply and demand meet. That's the best scenario. All right, 2 says the economy goes into recession, causing income to decrease. And a cereal is a normal good. So as I make more, I'm going to buy more cereal. That's what a normal good is. But we have no money. So is demand, this is going to be demand because it's a normal good, is demand for cereal going to increase or decrease? Decrease. We can't afford our cereal anymore. All of a sudden, I can't have my Cinnamon Toast Crunch in the morning. Oops. D1. It's a demand. Demand decreases. And that's tires. All right. Hopefully this helps you guys. This is just showing you the shifts and what they look like. Just more practice. It shouldn't take you too long. You could do it in paint like I did and don't worry about your lines being super straight, or you guys could draw it out and put it on paper. But there's only 12 of them, so it should go pretty quick. Let me know if you have questions.